Hey, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a bio on Instagram quickly and easily. Open the Instagram app on your phone. If you're not already logged in, enter your username and password to access your account. Once you're inside the app, go to your profile page. To do that, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open your personal Instagram profile. Next, look for the Edit Profile button near the top of your profile page and tap on it. This will take you to the profile editing section where you can update your personal information. Now find the bio section. Tap on it to start typing your new bio. Here you can write something about yourself, your interests, your business, or anything you'd like your followers to know. Keep it short, clear, and creative since Instagram bios have a character limit. After you finish typing your bio, tap the check mark icon or Done button in the top corner to save your changes. Your new bio will automatically appear on your profile. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.